Hi my country people, today I bring una another Nollywood personality wey all of una sabi well well. Who be our personality for today? Which year dem born am? Where im go school? How many films im don appear? Im marital life, im kukushi wey oyibo dey call net worth and many more. Make una relax and follow me enjoy dis gist.
USOFIA _ that is not forget about those people that
Nkem OWOH, wey everybody know as OWOH, na one of the ogbonge Nollywood actors and comedian wey dem born for February 7th, 1958 for Amagu village, Udi town, Enugu, southeast Nigeria. E first do im primary and secondary school for Nsukka, Enugu state before e come enter University of Ilorin to study electrical engineering. Nkem still dey school when e begin act film for inside television series and screen production. Dat time, Nollywood never stand well well. The major role wey e do na when dem do screen adaptation for inside Chinua Achebe's Things Fall Apart in 1987. The serial na 50 episode wey dem show for inside Nigerian Television Authority (NTA) dat time. Na after dis one, e come land for Nollywood wey make am feature inside Ukwa Part 1 and 2 with other big names like Sam Loco and Patience Ozokwo. Nkem OWOH also like football since e dey small. E don represent im zone and state for football competition before dem come drop am sake of say im parents no support am. Today, Nkem OWOH don feature inside over 200 popular Nollywood films and television productions wey include Mr. Trouble, Lionheart, Agaba, Stronger Than Pain, My Village, Chief Daddy and many more.
Governor, Executive, Enugu State. All the members of the Executive Council,
The title of the film wey make people sabi am all over the world na USOFIA in London. Na inside dis film e play the role of USOFIA wey come make am household name.
Daddy, you say make me ask you one question. Delegates follow you come. Delegates follow me come. You dey give money, you dey pay, you dey build something for church.
Well, I build a lot of things from church and I expect something from church too.
Ladies and gentlemen.
USOFIA get natural talent, come join am with comedy wey make am dey flow when im dey act. Apart from acting, many people no know say Nkem na recording artist. One of im record wey e perform inside na I Go Chop Your Dollar. The song talk about how to scam people for various industries.
I don suffer no be small, upon say I get sense. Poverty no good at all o, na im make I join this business. 419 no be thief, it's just a game, everybody dey pay am. If anybody follow me, my brother, I go chop am. National airport na me get am, national stadium na me build am. President na my sister brother, you be the mugu, I be the master. Oyibo man, I go chop your dollar, I go take your money disappear. 419 is just a game, you are the loser, I am the winner. The refinery, na me get am. The contract, na you I go give am. But you go pay me small money, make I bring am. You be the mugu, I be the master.
Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) later banned the song sake of say Nigeria Broadcasting Commission (NBC) no support am.
When Oyibo play wayo.
November 2009 na di worst moment for USOFIA sake of say kidnappers hold am wen im dey travel go east. Di kidnappers demand for ₦15 million but na ₦1.4 million im family fit raise before dem release am. USOFIA don get many awards and recognition wey include African Movie Academy Award 2008 for Best Actor in a Leading Role, City People Movie Special Recognition Award 2014, City People Lifetime Achievement Awards 2017. In 2017, Ama sama am again wit Lifetime Achievement Award. Na 2004, Association of Movie Makers and Producers ban NKEM and some other artists dem from acting sake of say their mouth too big and their acting fee too high. Na 1998, NKEM go altar go say I do wit Ngozi, di Gambody produce 2 daughters. As e be now, if you put NKEM for market, dem estimate im worth to be $4 million. If una gbadun dis gist, make una help us subscribe, like, comment and share so dat we go dey notify una as other gist dey shele. And for my people wey don already subscribe, no forget to turn on your notification bell icon so dat sharparly dem go dey notify you as we dey upload new video.